Okay, welcome to AP Biology. This is the first video, hopefully of many. Um, First thing I want to talk about before we talk about any actual content is I want to introduce you to the big ideas. These are four main themes in our biology course that hopefully will help us tie all these different topics together in the end. And we're going to talk about those in a second. I put this quote here because I think it's not only interesting but very true. And it's going to show us what I like to call our biggest idea. Nothing in biology makes sense except in the light of evolution. This is by Theodosius Dobzhansky. This quote is referring to the fact that anything you see in biology, anything you catalog, learn about, is a result of this process of evolution, this slow change over time. So I like to think of that as our biggest idea. But without further ado, let's go on to the big ideas. Okay, big idea number one, evolution. It is number one, and it is the most important in my opinion. So I'm going to go ahead and let's see here. Biggest right here. This is the biggest idea. Excuse my handwriting. I know it's cursive, but this is the biggest idea and the most important idea. Some exclamation points here. The process of evolution, which you guys I'm sure have heard of, kind of drives everything, right? Drives everything that we're going to talk about in this course. So it's very important. Drives the diversity and the unity of all life, right? Big idea two, energetics. Biological systems use energy, something you've probably heard of before, and molecular building blocks, which we are going to talk about in not too long, to grow, reproduce, and maintain homeostasis, right? Homeostasis is this balance that we have that keeps our bodies running, keeps all animals, all life running on this planet. So yes, homeostasis, you can think of it as a balancing effect. Big idea three, information storage and transmission. Living systems store, retrieve, transmit, and respond to information essential to life processes. So this is kind of a basic idea that, not only are we talking about communication between animals and their environment, but we're talking about plants. We're talking about bacteria. We're talking about all life has some sort of message that it needs to retrieve, store, transmit, integrate, and act upon, in essence, or else it's not really a living system, right? So it's very important. Big idea three is very important, and big idea three is the one we are going to be talking about a lot in this next, in the first topic we are going to talk about, ecology. So big idea four, systems interactions. Biological systems interact, and these systems and their interactions exhibit complex properties. Again, these scale all the way to the molecular level, right? These scale all the way down to the molecular carbon level, and they go all the way up to our ecosystem, our biosphere. So this is it goes. All of these, I should say just about this one. Every single big idea is going to scale up, right? From small all the way up to the very bigger picture, right? Our biosphere, our Earth, our planet. I'll draw a little planet here for you. How about that? It's a terrible planet, but I tried. So, systems interaction. These are our four big ideas. Big idea one, evolution. Big idea two, energetics. Big idea three, information storage and transmission. I'm sorry, I erased that. There we go. Big idea four, systems interaction. It is not important for you to memorize all of these big ideas. I do think it's interesting as we go through the course to see how every single topic can tie into these main ideas. So just keep that in mind as we go through the course, that we're going to be addressing each of these big ideas in turn. And these little three-letter designators, you might see them from time to time. EVO, I'll show you what I'm talking about here. EVO, right? ENE, IST, and SYI. You're going to see these again, and I'll talk about them again, but these are three-letter designators which let you know this is the big idea we are referring to. Okay, so in the next video, we are going to start talking about ecology, which is going to be topic 8.1. I'm going to start exactly on this slide. We are starting at topic 8, which is the last topic in the course, but I think it's the most fun, and it's the most fun topic to start on. And it is about responses of organisms to their environment. Again, this goes from very small, even the white blood cells in your body, and this scales up to the very big picture, right? So just keep that in mind. This is going to be our first topic, so I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.